Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with stockmarketmentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Eagle Materials. This is ticker EXP. Now, this is actually a stock that I took from our active trading forum over at stockmarketmentor.com. We have hundreds of traders from all over the world just collaborating, working together, and finding the best stocks to trade. And this is one that I saw mentioned in our forum today. And Eagle Materials had earnings. Now, we are getting into earnings season. It can be a roll of the dice. And so typically, we advise people, have a cushion if you're going to go hold a position in earnings because really anything can happen. But Eagle Materials had a positive earnings report, and you can see that the market liked it. We had a nice push down under that 8-day exponential period moving average and pushing to a new all-time high. If I zoom out here, I mean, this is a nice, long, choppy trend, but it's going in the right direction. And so while I think this is a positive move here for Eagle, I will note it is a bit extended above that 8-day exponential period moving average. That's the orange line here on the chart. So if you don't have a position, I would definitely look for a bit of a bounce off that 8-day here. And if possible, really use that 21-day EMA as your stop loss level, because at least in this sequence from one earnings report to this one, it hadn't really closed below that 21-day. That's the blue line here on the chart. So I would definitely recommend keeping an eye on Eagle Materials and using that 21-day as your reference. So that's just one of many stocks that we're looking at tonight at stockmarketmentor.com. If you want to see what else we're up to, definitely take a trial. Click stockmarketmentor.com, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.